Hi, I'm Sriram Ramamurthy from Chennai. I'm working as a software engineer with Cognizant Technology Solutions here in Chennai. I learned about this course by way of the many advertisements that one could click through in the YouTube videos that we casually visit. And I purchased this mastery course because I was very impressed with what Aditya said that I could gain as a student of this course. And I'm going through the course materials. It's just been 1 month since I purchased and onboarded, and it's been an amazing journey, and the results have been equally amazing. I've changed jobs after purchasing this course, and whatever little learning I acquired in this coursework, I was able to project it. I was able to sell myself better, and I've landed a job with a better salary. And I hope I can gain a lot more as I progress along this course. I thank the Adityas for onboarding me into this course, and I'm really looking forward to great times ahead. Thank you.